The January 2022 issue of Railway Modeller is now on sale, packed full with all the latest news and reviews from the railway modelling world. Highlights in this issue include Hobbiton, Tony Clarke's impressive home-based Great Western layout in 00. Moore's View, Paul Holwill's winter-themed southwest scene in N. And Dunston, Simon Garner's first layout project in N, set during the BR sectorisation era, plus much more. In this month's project section, Andy Hudson describes how he revitalised a Parkside mineral wagon in 7mm, while I demonstrate how to use your free backscene included with printed copies of this issue. Reviews in this month's issue include the all-new Ffestiniog double Fairlie in 009 from Bachmann, McIntosh 812 class from Rails of Sheffield in 00, and Birmingham city buses from Rapido Trains UK, plus much more. Grab your copy of the January 2022 issue of Railway Modeller, on sale from the 9th of December.